Hi there, you've got a cool pair of AKG K702 studio headphones, but one side isn't working. Don't worry, today I'll show you how to easily fix a very common issue. Before starting the repair, always try a new cable first, as a damaged audio lead is often the culprit. If they still don't work with a new cable, you'll need to open the air cup where the cable enters the headphones. To remove the decorative cover, rotate it counterclockwise. It looks like 2 out of the 3 wires are in place, so to find the fault, we need to disassemble them further. Unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws and remove the housing. It's a bit tricky, but with a little patience, it can be done. Here's the problem. The yellow wire has snapped. You could try soldering the broken wire back on, but it didn't snap without reason. As you can see, it's too short, and it will just break again sooner or later. The best solution is to desolder the old wire. Find a replacement wire. You can scavenge one from other broken headphones, like an old pair of wired-in ears. Solder the new wire to the driver contact, then thin the wire where it needs to be shortened. Snip off the excess length and solder it to the mini XLR socket contact. Next, reassemble the headphone housing exactly as it was and screw it back together tightly. Plug in your mini XLR cable, connect it to your phone, and open the tech screw left and right channel test video to check if they are sounding as they should. The link to that test video is in the description. Great, the headphones are working perfectly again. All that's left is to snap the cover back on, and that's it. Congratulations, you've just performed a simple repair and saved a ton of money by not buying new headphones. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, feel free to support me and my grandma by hitting the Super Thanks button or joining as a member. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks and good luck.